welcome again. This is Mercedes C-Class 2006 year, 205 model, facelift. We put a 9-inch QLED Android navigation, fits perfect in that model. We also installed Japan camera Pioneer, rear parking camera. Steering wheel controls works. Phone button also. And the illumination of the buttons. Now it's blue. We'll make it to be amber like the original color of the buttons. Go to settings, go to general, find the Wattern settings menu. Click on Wattern settings. Okay, you can make it to be something like this, a little bit. Okay, not so green. I think it's something like that. Okay, this model is with a about device Android 15 version, HD screen, 2 GHz octa-core CPU, 6 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage. It's one of the best models in Bulgaria, works fast and it's nice with good display and perfect colors. Radio works well. We have edge station indoor. Okay, let's check GPS. Car is indoor. I go navigation also. Location is fine. 2D, 3D view. We also installed a Waze navigation. Okay, nice. And let's check device GPS. We have 11 satellites in view indoor. Okay, that's it from us. If you have any questions for some kind of Android audio upgrades for your car, you can write a comment, call directly on the phone, write a comment what kind of video you want me to make. Thanks for watching. Like and share video, subscribe to the channel, that is helping us. See you again in next video.